Today we have the unboxing of the Transformer 2 by Enhanced Mobility. The box will look like this. Now this one actually came in a second box surrounding it, and I've removed that one. You might not get the second box, but here's the official one. So you've got these straps up here. We're going to take our knife and we're just going to cut those. Remember to cut upwards. Do not cut downwards and potentially damage your product. So those four straps are out of the way. Now we're going to take our knife and we're going to cut the tape that is going around the sides and the middle of the box. Remember, be very careful when you're cutting. Again, try to not cut too deep into the product. You don't want to potentially damage anything. So now I can fold away the top of the box. And the first thing we see is just a little piece of cardboard. And now you can see up top, we actually have our keys right up here, this little plastic cover, as well as some of our arm screw holes, and a little key fob, and a spare battery for your key fob. We also have our owner's manual here. And then you can see the scooter from here. So from here, in order to get the scooter out, you can actually grab the box. The bottom is separate from the box, so you can just lift it straight up. Set that to the side. Now we actually have our scooter right here. And we just remove this foam. Within here, it looks like we have our charger. And then in this side is probably our arms. Or no, that looks like our battery. We just remove some plastic, and then now we can just lift our scooter right off of there. I'm going to take a moment to clean up, and then we'll get over to the assembly. So from here, there's a battery pack right in here, and a little insert we have to remove, but the tiller is in the way of getting the battery out, so we're going to unfold the scooter manually. So there is a little red lever right here. You're just going to push that forward. There we go. And then the front kind of comes out. And it can actually just unfold the whole scooter like that, and it'll snap. So this is an auto fold scooter, but for whatever reason, if you have to manually unfold it, you can do it that way. Then from here, to pick the battery pack up, we just grab here and pull up. Then we remove these. We can put our battery back in. So from here, we're going to install the arms now. The arms have a little block in here, and with a zip tie, so you're going to need a pair of scissors, or I got little wire cutters here. Just clip the zip tie, little block will come out. Same thing on the other side. And then from here, we're just going to install our arms. So these were the arms. There's just two boxes, and then some bubble wrap. Now one thing you'll notice is the arms kind of sit low like this. There's a little bolt in here with a hex key. I'll actually grab an Allen in just a minute and tell you what size it is, but you would just unscrew that and let the arms sit level. But first we're just going to install the arm. So the arm just sits right in here. And then in this other box they gave us, the one with our little screw posts and our key and everything, comes the actual bolts for the arm. They look like this. Then they should screw right in there. And we tighten that. Now our arm is installed. You would do the same thing on the other side. So here's the arm and that bolt I was talking about. The bolt is a 5mm Allen. You pretty much just need the Allen wrench to break the seal on the bolt, and then you can thread it by hand. And as you bring this bolt out, the tilt of the arm is going to change. So I'm going to grab a little more. That looks pretty normal. Once you get it where you want it, you're just going to bring this nut down and then tighten that. And then your arm is ready to go. Then from here, in this plastic box that we had the screw bolts in, we also have our key. So we're just going to take our key, put it into the front of the scooter like this, and then you turn it on, we have power, and then our key fob that's also in that box would now work. You also get some Allen wrenches in there that would fit the arms and any other adjustments you need to make, and you get a spare battery for your key fob as well. Then from here, if you have the key on to fold the scooter, you would just press the fold button. Up front, the tiller also adjusts in height. There's this little, you can kind of see, loosen this right here. You can bring the tiller up and down, tighten it where you want it. And then your key fob is here to fold it. You also have your user's manual and your charger. But this has been the unboxing of the Transformer 2 by Enhanced Mobility. If you have any questions or you would like to purchase this unit, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.